Hi there, we are going to make gluten-free Somali breakfast with no dairy, no eggs, no milk. We need all-purpose flour, gluten-free, oatmeal, gluten-free also, and half a teaspoon of salt. Warm water. We also need white cornmeal mixed together. The white cornmeal, we will add only 3 teaspoons. Three. Then we add warm water, mix together. Then we leave overnight. Then it will look like this. Mix it in the morning before you add it into the frying pan. If it's too thick, just add a little bit of warm water and mix together. Mix it. Yeah, it will look like kind of slimy. Yeah, just mix together, so it just mix very well. Warm your frying pan and just continue mixing first until it becomes very good consistency. Get started. Just scoop it a little bit and pour into your frying pan. Guys, this thing it's called in Somali language anchero, or some people they call laha, if I'm right. Yeah. Look, it's too easy to lift from the frying pan even. It's very easy. No oil, no eggs, nothing. It's very healthy breakfast. You can eat with anything. Beef stew. You can use it as a wrap. You can wrap stuff, something inside and eat as a wrap. Yeah, look, it's so easy to lift. Thanks for watching.